And a very good evening here on the 14th of June 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And I wanted to just take a quick couple of minutes this evening just to give you an update on the Aussie US dollar trade opportunity. Now, for those of you that attended Traders Base Camp on the weekend, you will have seen us take this trade in real time last week when we published the actual trade results, and of course we sent it across our WhatsApp broadcast groups as well. So if you recall, the dollar Japanese yen had just stopped us out of liftoff for break even, and of course that was on this reversal primary setup just here. So of course we entered the market on the close of this bar, we were stopped out on the low of this bar, and that pretty much took us out at break even. It may have been a little frustrating at the time, but on the same day we opened the Aussie dollar, which was of course running the market short on the close of the primary just here. And you can see that that has progressed very, very nicely indeed. In fact, we're actually up £1,098 in open profit at this time. And we have caught the downside moves across these currencies today, especially on this Aussie dollar. The reason we did that, of course, was because we had the trade open from the liftoff 3.0 trading opportunity. So this is an absolutely excellent trade. Why? Not because it's net up over £1,000, no, because it was executed perfectly according to the trading plan. And so today I have a trailing stop opportunity. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually break this trade even, because we get to actually trail our stop today to 7613, I believe it is. Let's check. Yes, it is 7613 is the trail on this. So you can see it takes us to the break-even point there on the Aussie dollar, which is a very good place to be. We are now in a free trade the same way that we were on the dollar Japanese yen. So even if the market moves all the way against us at this time, there'll be no loss whatsoever, because we are now at break-even. So that's a good place to be. We are up on this trade. We're net up again over £1,000. We have taken the trade opportunity at 2% risk based on our rule set and our plans, taking into account what the maximum drawdowns are here on the liftoff 3.0. So this is absolutely superb. We have seen that we have captured the opportunity. We showed you it from the very start of the trade, the inception of it, all the way through till now, and whether it hits the target or whether it comes back and stops us out at break even or a small profit, whatever it is, we will report on the final closing price, of course, transparently and openly. So that's pretty much it from me at this time. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.